We're just hours away from a historic presidential debate. Tonight, President Joe Biden and former President Donald Trump will face off for their first debate of this election cycle. NBC's Gabe Gutierrez explains how both candidates are preparing and what we can expect.
Today in Atlanta, a debate rematch with the stage now set between President Biden and former President Trump, their first face-off in 4 years since the two rivals clash in a pair of tense debates.
This radical left.
Will you shut up, man?
Listen,
Ahead of the earliest general election debate on record, President Biden at Camp David, out of the public eye for nearly a week, huddling with advisors and holding mock debates. Former President Trump at his Mar-a-Lago estate, doing more informal prep. In the debate, Mr. Trump's expected to focus on the economy and the border, while President Biden will likely zero in on abortion rights, threats to democracy, and trying to dispel concerns among voters about his age and fitness for office. Some allies pointing to his State of the Union address as an example to repeat.
You can't love your country only when you win.
To minimize interruptions, the 90-minute debate will feature muted mics when the other candidate's talking. CNN offering a preview of how to work.
My volume remains constant, while Phil's interruption can be difficult to understand.
There will be no live studio audience, something both campaigns agreed to, but the former president is now complaining that it's a sterile dead room and that you have no audience to read. For both candidates, tonight is a crucial test to appeal to skeptical voters who dislike both options.
President Joe Biden will then be in Raleigh. Less than 24 hours after that, he and First Lady Jill Biden plan to fly to RDU immediately after the debate tonight in Atlanta. The president's itinerary shows he is expected to arrive at RDU just before 2 o'clock in the morning. This will put the Bidens in place for a campaign event late morning tomorrow in Raleigh. Former President Donald Trump will also be out on the campaign trail tomorrow. He'll appear at a rally near Norfolk, Virginia. CNN is hosting the debate. It's happening at their studios in Atlanta. You can watch it live right here on WRAL starting at 9.